Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. This is Thanksgiving 2021 and I just wanted to show you, first I'll show you what I'm wearing, just a casual little outfit. Check out my shoes, they're leopard. Anyway, I have a leopard belt too, check it out. Anyway, just casual little outfit. This is Thanksgiving, I wanted to show you my buffet. Got my beautiful setup, look at that. Right here, I have green beans, almondine, has bacon and sliced almonds. I have some carrots and some corn. This is cornbread casserole. This is my sweet potatoes, homemade macaroni and cheese. Here's some stuffing. Here's some mashed potatoes. There's my turkey and my ham. And over here, some homemade gravy. I always keep it in that little crock pot just so that it's warm the whole evening. Okay, and then we have some bread right here. My guests are not here yet. They'll be here soon. I have a little island right here, and I'm going to put all my desserts right here. And I have some guests that are bringing desserts. And here's a little table some people can sit on. There's my son. Here's a small round table that we have right here. And I have a few little decorations here and there. Okay, I just wanted to share all my little decorations. Okay, let me go into this room. This is the family room. This is my little coffee table, and I've decorated that too. Here's where the TV is. Little decorations everywhere. And there's my hubby.
Saludos. Happy Thanksgiving.
So thank you for watching. Just wanted to share all my decorations and my Thanksgiving. See you next time.